everybody. Well, I'm not a pretty sight today. I've got green everywhere. I'm weed eating around my garden and around the fence line for simple fact. Spotted 2 snakes and the grass is just getting too high. Well, the problem is both of my lawnmowers is having trouble. So I've got everybody working on lawnmowers, and I started my weed eater and I'm getting the weeds out around it so I don't run into no snakes. But yeah, 85 today, and somebody needs a haircut, bad haircut. But yeah, I'm not a pretty sight, but I'm out working and it's a gorgeous Sunday, and come out there and see what I've done. Done a pretty good job on all the weeds. That way at least I can spot a snake, because it got so high, all the rain we're having, that I really started getting scared after spotting a big one laying right across my driveway a couple days ago. And I never see snakes, so I'm in the process of getting everything buckled down here. But yeah, come on, my break is over anyway. Come on. Well guys, been weed eating around the garden because as we're speaking I got 2 lawnmowers down, so I went around the whole garden and weeded it because I've spotted 2 snakes already. But come on with me and I'll show you the rest of the garden here. Well, I've weed eated the whole fence line going all the way down, and check out these cabbages, and these are my peas, and my tomato plants are doing wonderful. See how much they've grown. And this is broccoli. It's coming up. Look at broccoli. Oh, there's a good little piece. Look at that. And my tomatoes, they are looking great. My onions are looking good. But yeah, weed eat it all the way around the whole garden. And well, that's more cucumbers right there, and there's my row of rattlesnake beans, and we've got more right here. Peas, cucumbers are on this side, and the little snap peas on that side. And look at the potatoes, how good they're growing. And that little line right there, that's all cucumbers. Goes all the way down. And I think these are beans, different kind of beans, half runners. And I still got a couple lines, which I've got my starter plants on the porch. It's time. So I'll be doing a couple more rows. But yeah, I had to weed eat all this because, especially around the chicken lot and the fence line down through here, it was just getting so high, and I was afraid I was going to run into something like this. Look at these weeds. Snakes. The weeds are just overtaking me. And this was this rain. watching. If you liked, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and share. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.